in Christmas times. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be. Whoa, oh, oh, da 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 da, oh, 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 da 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 da, oh, oh, da 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 da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
Kiss Kringle na, guys. Okay, Holly. Sandali lang, wait. Alright, Holly. Come on, Holly.
Alam ko na yun, nabunot ni Holly.
Unahin natin siya. Come on. This one?
Give it to Kylie. I do. Manolita, yes, I do.
Highly.
There.
Yay! Harley! Yeah, you can open it now.
You got another present.
You are so lucky.
Bluey, may ka sa Bluey, di ba? Kiss on the cheek. Kiss on the cheek daw. Open it. Open it. Oh, yay! Oh, nice. Thanks, tita. Thanks. Oh, gusto niya yan. Oh, nice. Yan magugustuhan talaga nila. Sak! May sulat to ni Sak. Okay. May sulat yan. Ano mo yan? Itago nyo kasi. Oh, kiss the chico. Oh, cute.
Open your present.
Open your present, Baba. Wow. Yes, Sak. Open it, Baba. Yeah, wow. Oh. Yeah. Iniinis pa ng daddy niya.
Vacuum cleaner.
Oh. Thanks. Oh, sino naka-ano sa kanya? Veronica. Nice. Gusto niya yan. Kuya, nalobat ako eh. From who? Veronica? Ah, Jonathan. Nice. Yeah, it's a big one. Pagod ng aking piil.
Ah! Are you sure? Thank you! Are you serious?
Oh!
Na-confused na talaga sa akin.
Camping.
Put the camera in here now.
Kinarap niya yung maraming pockets.
We've got a camping chair. Alright, my time.
Doesn't work.
Thank you. Can you please?
Well, I'll get it work. And a nice gift. Thank you very much. That's really
You're welcome.
That's your present, babe.
Oh, yes, yes.
Hindi gusto mo.
Thank God.
Kaya ka binigay ko sa
I can't remember. Look, who wants a nice present? I can't remember who to give it to. Chona.
Oh, ako pala. Thank you. Oh. Si Tony. Wow. Cute. Thanks, Tony. Gagamitin ko ito mamayang gabi sa bahay.
Wow, lingerie.
It's a present for John, really. Tony's trying to learn himself first. Let's make sure it's good. my.
So ako na? Ako na.
Bad material when I was getting something.
Nasaan na siya?
Ano ba yan? Thank you, Manay. Wait lang, masakit ako.
Sana yan yung ano, yung sana.
Thank you, Manay. Wow, may po. Siyang mayaman si Madam. Wow, thank you, Manay. Sana all. Desires, totoo ba kayo, guys?
May tinta.
Thank you, Manay.
Oh, no worries. Buksan mo yan!
Bubuksan ko.
Ayan, kaya mo.
Ano yan, Day?
Cute, ano lang.
Ay, perfume! Ay, ang cute ba ito? Ang cute, cute! May lipstick! Ay, lipstick? Perfume.
Di ba perfume? Pambag lang ba? Mini bag.
Mahilig ako mag-ganito.
Ano yan?
Mahilig yun siya. Maliit.
Maliit. Ikaw na. Yes! Yes! Siya ang huli.
Thank you very much. Just for all.
Ah, the big one. Ah, that's nice.
May malaki din yan.
Malaki.
Double pa. Di ba? Para rehas ng gift.
That's good.
Ah, yeah, for your coffee. The pod stand. That's nice.
Let's get some party!
Okay. Bango, di ba? Bayas lang. Niya. Ang cute. Red nga. Pink. Red, oh. Kasi di ba gusto mo red?
Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. And I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about Christmas memories.
First flake of snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today.
Ito yung mga bata, oh. May sarili silang mundo. Where's Zach? Again? Ayan. Dun si Kuya. Oops. Dun si Kuya tsaka si Jonathan. Si Zach tsaka si Holly and Veronica nandito sila, oh. Nanunod ng Pennywise again, Zach? Yes. Oh! Nene, just keep it, okay? Yeah. Yeah, but make sure you keep it, okay? Say hi.
Hi, I'm having ice cream. Could you help?
Oh, sure, baby.
It's the rainbow one.
The rainbow one? Which one? This one? Lifesavers? Alright. You want one, Baba?
She loves it. Why say yeah,
Yeah, you love that one? Oh, good job, Ate Holly. Go, get one. Thank you daw. Oh, good girl. Sana lumaki kayo mag-bet. Oh. Okay, let me open. Okay. Ask Tita, Kuya Sak. Don't make a mess there, okay? Oh, siya mag-open. You want one, Kuya Sak? Oh? No. No, there's one more. Kunin ko. Let's, oh, wow. Ba, Kuya Sak? Empty na yung box na yun. Labas na natin yun. Put this here. And make sure you don't make a mess there, please.
First snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day. First snow of Christmas is falling from above.
Oh, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da.
Nagbibilyar. Bilyar na sila. Ito naman si Kuya. Binablog niya si Daddy. Ay, malamig dito. Nakaon ng aircon. Oh, Dan? Are you Dan?
Yeah, I'll just shout it at Phil.
Oh, Dan na pala. Nag-start ulit silang dalawa.
Go look around and say,
Tinuturuan niya si Kuya.
so it's straight, not straight on, second straight.
We should have this one, no? Yeah. Oh! Chisak andun kay Veronica. Tinuturuan niya sa ano, may ginagawa silang dalawa doon.
Straight, not straight on, Phil. Can't be closer.
Oh! Well done, yeah. Oh. Guys, oh, wow. Ang bright weight lang. Grabe, ma. Para kang kukunin. Kaya nga. Wait lang, guys. Guys, update. What time is it?
1 o'clock. Hindi ako natumba.
Walang nalasing.
Hindi siya natulog.
Hindi, walang
Christina ang natulog.
Uber sila kanina pa sila kalisa. So, i-add ko na itong vlog kasi yung mga bata pagod na rin. And sila magsisi-uwian na. Nakalinis na. Okay guys, thank you. Merry Christmas! Please like.
Ayun.
Go, no, but please like, please subscribe if you haven't. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Good night. Okay, it's your turn. Good morning guys. Today is Sunday, December 19. And nag-i-impake na. And yung aranikat nandito pa. Mamaya raw kukunin yan dito. So yeah, mag-impake muna ako kasi mag-check out na tayo. And si Sak, ayan. Gustong-gusto niya yung regalo ni Tito Neil, ha? Try to flash. Why are we not flashing? Nag-ihi siya. So, mag-impake muna tayo, guys. Oh, lobat na rin ito. Labas na dyan yung kanyang susutin today. Itong short, may tag pa. Ito yung nabili niya sa Oakley before. Nung nagpaplano kayong punta ng Queensland. Hindi niya nasuot. So, ngayon summer na, susutin niya na yan. Dito lang, ha? Ah, okay. Guys, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, uwi na kami? Hindi pa pala kami uwi. Mag-stay pa kami one night dito. Tapos, si Talana, kukunin yung mga bata kasi, is it Hunter's birthday today or today? No, 20. Today, 19. O birthday ni Hunter. May gagawin lang saglit. Kasi alis din sila Talana, pupunta sila somewhere. So, pipick upin na yung mga bata para makapaglaro lang saglit. Then, aalis din sila lunch. Wow, favorite niya yan. Oh, sabi, humingi siya ng spam. Oh, kasi hindi ko siya lagi pinapaspam. Kasi, kung gusto niyang spam, araw-araw mag-spam siya. So, ayun, nagluto na si Morning Live. Nagluto na siya ng breakfast.
Come on, breakfast.
And yung dalawang kumakain na doon, yung adults. Baba, you have to eat.
You're going.
You're going, Zachary. Come on.
Zachary.
Auntie Talana is coming to pick you up. Come on. They're coming. You're not hungry? Alright.
Alright.
So,
Tayo na.
kami na lang dalawa kakain. Si Kuya hindi yan papalampasin eh. Alright. Kain na kami, guys. Ayan. Ha?
Parang maliit na margarine.
Ah?
Nila?
Oo, yung black. It is?
Yeah.
No. Ah, yeah. Yeah, Auntie yeah. Mayroon pa pala siyang isang car. Yeah, Auntie Talana is here.
Ano banana?
Ano Auntie Banana? Auntie Banana, uy. Talana, come on, get in car. Si Talana, di ba? Alam mo naman. This is Lyra. Binihisan ko na pala siya, pero palitan ko ulit. Kasi medyo malamig yung hangin. So, mag-leggings na lang siya. Okay, come on. Tita Cathy, come on. Ayan. Baba, fix your back. Ayan, naka-leggings na siya and t-shirt. Kasi for sure, maglalaro lang yan sa labas. Go. Say see ya. Love you. Be careful there, okay? Okay. Be nice, okay? Yeah. Good luck with the 3 kids.
Oh my gosh, the only one.
Cold. It's cold, cold, cold. Ay! Be good. Nakalis na yung mga bata and ayan, kain na kami. Si Kuya nagmadali, hindi niya masyado na ano yung pagkain. Okay, kain guys. Dito rin kami sa car ni Johnny Boy. Time check is 12:39. Pipick upin na namin yung mga bata sa bahay nila Hunter. Kasi alis sila. Alis din kasi sila. So, saglit lang na catch up sila magpipinsan. Then, pagbalik namin kami nila, punta ng Asian store. Kasi may kukunin tayo sa Asian store. Tapos, nagiram na ako kay Lai na cardigan kasi malamig ang hangin. May araw pero malamig ang hangin at saka malakas. Dito na kami. Hinihintay lang namin na buksan yung gate. Kasi may gate na doon, oh. So, kailangan natin pumasok doon. Yan, nakapasok na tayo, guys. Si Tala na nasa wulis ng tinawagan ni Jan. So, yung asawa niya lang nandito, si Dust. And the kids. Hi, Dust.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Bed was sleep.
Yeah.
Fucking sleep on that floor.
Hi. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Hi, people. Dito, oh, Nintendo. Yeah, wala kasi yan sila. Ito yung mga batang walang mga ganyan-ganyan. No, he left. He's going to the party. Happy birthday, Hunt.
Keep this.
Who said?
Uncle Dustin.
Ah,
Where's Rylan?
where's Rylan?
In the tent was Willow.
Where's Willow?
Where's Willow?
In the tent.
In the tent? Or Trump? There's a tent. Oh, Willow! My swimming pool pala siya. Willow, Baba! Hi, Willow! Hi! Where's my kiss? Auntie Chona's kiss? Where's my kiss? My kiss? Kiss tita. Auntie, kiss. No kiss? Say hi to the people. Say hi. Hi, Willow.
Wait, let me.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Say hi. Laki na ni Willow.
And I can
Say hi.
She was crying. Mom, she was crying and then I done
Kiss Auntie
this.
Chona. Where's my
Mom,
kiss?
Mom.
No kiss. No
Mom,
kiss. No.
Mom. When she was starting crying, I done this and then she stopped.
She stopped. Oh.
And I'm allowed to keep this, Uncle Dustin said.
All right.
It's a troll.
Yeah, it's
I
a
have to
troll.
brush her hair because it smells.
Okay. Hi, Willow. Bye-bye.
You want to carry
Oh,
on?
she's crying. Hello. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Hi. Hi, people.
Hi, people. That's right. Hi, people. Say, how are you, people?
Hi, you people.
Say, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say. You miss the people? You miss saying hi? Yeah, say, I miss you, people.
I miss you, people.
Look at the camera. I miss you, people.
I miss you, people. Little feet.
Did you swim? Did you swim? May mini pool sila dito.
No. A kitty cat. Water right here.
Kitty cat?
He has a cat.
Oh, you have a cat? And then he scratched you here?
And scratch on the door.
Oh.
But she didn't scratch me.
Alright.
He scratched me. He bite me on the leg lots of times.
Oh, really? Silly cat. Willow.
Hi, Baba.
Oh, so cute.
We
Oh,
have a thumbnail.
a thumbnail. Alright. Okay. Okay, smile. Go closer to Holly. Oh, thumbnail. Hi, cutie. Oh, she's crying na. Hello, Baba. Oh.
She's a girl.
Yeah, she is a girl.
Molly.
Yeah?
No, she's crying, so she's...
I'm just gonna do this.
Yeah. It's alright, Baba.
Willow.
Yeah, hello, Baba. That's Uncle John.
What you doing?
That's Uncle John, Baba.
A big girl.
She is. Oh. Oh.
Leave it up, leave it up.
Oh.
She wasn't crying before you.
Oh. Okay, umiyak siya. Oh, tingnan mo. Hindi kasi siya sanay sa amin.
For a long time.
Yeah. Kahit daw kay Mel, last week pumunta dito, umiyak din siya. Baba, it's alright.
He's sat on it and tried to drop the seat another inch.
Yan daw yung regalo nila for Hunter.
He could touch the ground, but it was just a little bit.
9 years old na si Hunter, guys. Ayan yung kanyang balloons. Ay, meron ditong sausages, oh. Ayun yung swimming pool nila. Ang cute, oh.
You gotta spring off. You gotta spring off and go back.
Si Hunter, ang inspiration niya mag-backflip ay si Sak, kaya inaral niya. Ayan siya, oh. Go! Sabi ni Talana sa amin kanina. Ay! No! Oh! Kanina nag-back... Ay! Just be careful with your neck.
Snag sorted, I'll get them fed and then we'll give you a call.
PJ? No, kuya.
You're going to throw the blues in it.
You do this. Oh.
Then you go back the other way. You gotta spring. You can't throw your legs.
Oh!
Springing.
Oh my God!
Hey, no, I'm going.
Wait! Go! Oh! Kanina nagawa nila eh. Kaso hawak ko si Willow kasi iyak nang iyak si Willow kanina. Oh! Ito na, wala na yung magkamuka. Wow! What? Yes! What? God! Oh! Oops! Careful! Careful with your arms, Naka. Alright, just say, Anta! Careful, ha? Oh! Kanina nagawa rin ni Hunter yan eh. Who's your inspiration doing backflip? Who? Zach. Oo, si Zach talaga yung inspiration niya kasi nung pumunta siya sa bahay, nakikita niya si Zach. Here you go, Baba. Kulot pa rin ang buhok ni Holly, oh. Doon na naman yung dalawa, oh. Si Kuya nagbabike lang siya. Chill lang si Kuya.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's
Luto na yung sausages.
Pulled that off. Double bang it.
Yeah, luto na yung sausages. Lunchtime na. Ayun si Willow. Oh. Ayoko lumapit kasi umiiyak siya eh. Kasi hindi siya sanay. Kay Mel umiyak nga din daw eh. Nangingilala na siya. Doon na sila lahat. Tingnan mo yung boys. 4 na boys. Tapos 2 girls.
You want to wait a bit, Holly? Come on, a bit warm? Or do you want to hold yours?
No,
You don't want to hold it yet? You do want to hold it? Not yet. Nah, be a bit warm, I reckon. For a young now.
a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and
3 times a week, one of them something like that. We still do once a week probably. Oh yeah. But yeah, you said you didn't.
Yeah.
When it's all the time.
You want sauce, Baba?
Oh, I could eat all the time, but I'm still liking pork and chicken. I still like the old hot.
Hot Baba, ha? Ako, busog kumain kami, di ba, nilay? Humingi pa si Sak ng isa pa.
That's how I clean them out.
Si Willow, mag-isa lang siya doon, oh. Ayun siya, oh. Happy siya doon. Sarap, Sak? I'm good, hon. I had rice. Is that your second, yeah? Second? Second na rin si Kuya. Si Sak, ayun, oh. Andun na si Hunter, oh. Nilalaro niya si Willow. And, linalagyan nila yung tubig yung pool. Ang cute ng pool. May papayong.
Bye, people!
Bye, people! Okay, kiss tita. Oh, kinis niya na kasi. Bye, people!
Bye, people!
See you on Christmas!
See you on Christmas!
Very good. See ya. Merry Christmas. Yeah, see you. Merry Christmas. Yep. See you, Chona. So see you Christmas. Yeah. Hello? See you. Say bye, people. Bye, people. Bye. See ya. Come on, Papa. Have a great, happy birthday, okay? Enjoy your birthday.
Still I